Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments Rockford homeowners can make. With freezing winters, humid summers, and unpredictable seasonal swings, your windows play a critical role in maintaining comfort and controlling energy costs. But choosing high-quality windows is only part of the equation. Proper installation, especially by professionals who understand Rockford's unique climate, makes all the difference. Local expertise ensures your energy-efficient windows perform as intended, delivering long-term savings and reliability. Understanding Rockford's climate challenges. Rockford experiences true four-season weather. Winters bring freezing temperatures, snow, and ice, while summers can be hot and humid. These extreme shifts cause building materials to expand and contract throughout the year. Local installers understand how these climate conditions impact window performance. They know how to select insulation methods that handle temperature swings, install flashing systems that prevent snow and rain intrusion, seal frames tightly to block winter drafts, prevent humidity-related issues during warmer months. Out-of-area contractors may not account for these local climate factors, which can lead to premature wear or reduced efficiency. Proper insulation for maximum efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. However, even the best windows won't perform well if there are gaps around the installation. Local professionals understand how to properly insulate window openings to prevent air leaks. In Rockford, where winter drafts can significantly increase heating bills, this attention to detail is essential. Accurate insulation helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduces strain on your HVAC system year-round. Knowledge of local building codes and permit requirements vary by location. Rockford has specific guidelines related to energy performance, structural integrity, and moisture protection. Local window installation experts are familiar with these requirements and ensure your project meets all regulations. This not only protects your home but also prevents costly compliance issues later. Working with professionals who understand local standards gives you confidence that the job is done correctly. Addressing moisture and condensation. Cold winters combined with indoor heating can create condensation issues if windows are not properly installed. Moisture trapped inside walls can lead to mold, rot, and structural damage. Local installers know how to manage moisture control systems effectively. Proper flashing, sealing, and insulation techniques help prevent water infiltration and condensation buildup. In Rockford's climate, managing moisture is just as important as managing heat loss. Customized recommendations for Rockford homes. Not every home in Rockford is the same. From older historic houses to newer suburban builds, window needs vary. Local experts can recommend energy-efficient window options that suit your specific property. They understand which glass packages work best for south-facing rooms with high sun exposure, north-facing walls prone to winter cold, older homes with unique framing considerations. This tailored approach ensures you get the right product for your home's design and location. Faster service and ongoing support. Working with a local installation team means easier communication and faster response times. If you ever have questions or need service in the future, a nearby company can provide timely assistance. This long-term relationship adds value beyond the initial installation. Protecting your investment. Energy-efficient windows are a significant investment. Proper installation protects that investment by maximizing performance, preserving warranties, and ensuring long-term durability. Incorrect installation can lead to air leaks, moisture damage, and reduced energy savings, problems that can cost far more to fix later. Comfort and savings you can trust when installed by experienced local professionals. Energy-efficient windows deliver real benefits. Lower heating and cooling costs, improved indoor comfort, reduced drafts and cold spots, increased home value. In Rockford's demanding climate, expertise matters. Choosing local professionals who understand the area ensures your windows are installed with precision and care. For homeowners across Rockford, local expertise isn't just helpful, it's essential to getting the full benefit of your energy-efficient window upgrade.